some guys came over to me that apparently like their mom owns the track or something. I don't know, runs the track. I don't remember what it was. Do you want to drift the road course? And I was like, oh my God, please. Because that's what we missed on Friday. We were supposed to be able to do that. So I'm going to start changing some tires, eat some food. This is about to get wild. We're about to have some freaking fun. Okay, I totally left the camera in there because
I was just like stoked to get out here.
But the event was like ending. There wasn't a lot of cars out there. I was getting tired again, kind of ready to pack up. And these boys over here were like, hey, do you want to hit the road course? And if you guys have watched the last couple vlogs, you know that we missed the road course.
Yeah, I mean, it should be, but that was one thing they told me to check, so.
So this was just such a blessing. So we just got out here. We're gonna go for a little tour, kind of rip around, and then see what this thing's all about. Let's do this. Ooh. Oh, yeah. We'll follow you. We can follow you if you want. We'll stay back a little bit. Nuts, boys. Dude, thank you guys so much.
Problem, oh, yeah.
You guys like are a part of the track. You're like here, you got a shop here and stuff. It's so freaking cool. Like this is the dream. I love it. So they were saying I wasn't doing like the actual drift course, so we're gonna go do like the actual drift course this time. We are turned up. I think I forgot to mention that. So we put the smaller pulley on this baby and turned her up, so it's like 950 or whatever at the wheels now. So we're gonna get back out there and do like the actual drift course. For real, thank you guys so much. You guys are freaking awesome.
Yeah.
All right, if you guys know Haugen Racing and you know me, I love everything Japanese. Always gotta keep it JDM, whether it's the cars, the clothing, or whatever it is. So keeping with the JDM theme, Japanese knives. Made from authentic Japanese style. These are kamikoto knives. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a terrible chef. Well, my mom's a great chef, and I'm really stoked. I wanna get her a set of these. So, these knives are made with high quality Japanese steel using traditional techniques. So, I mean, this is literally as JDM as it gets. Just looking at these, you can tell these are freaking quality. I hope this is showing up on camera. Japanese Honshu steel. These knives are actually used by Michelin star chefs all across the globe, which I think is really cool. If you've never been to a Michelin star restaurant, the finest restaurants out there, of course, they would be using the finest knives available. If you guys wanna get kamikoto knives, there's gonna be a link in the description, but you can get $50 off right now off of a set of knives for you, your loved one. Go check it out, link is in the description below. You can also hit this card right up here and it'll bring you to their website. I'm like peeping over. It's so sick. So these knives come in this heavy duty ash wood box. Reminds me of like some expensive cigars or something. And each knife is actually individually inspected and comes with a lifetime guarantee. I really appreciate them coming in a nice box. You can keep them in, which is great for presentation for a gift. And then that lifetime guarantee doesn't get any better than that.
You good?
Let's see. It's okay. Well, that got pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Oh.
See it on the GoPro.
So I was like chilling, and then I saw he was going, so we're actually starting to kind of like surge, and then he just ran out of angle, huh? Yeah. Ugh. How was yours?
Fine.
Everything's okay?
Yeah, everything's okay.
Disease. I think we're okay. Like, front and rear wheel looks okay. I think the brunt of it was like right on the door, which these carbon fiber doors, shout out Sabon, like it just like popped itself back out. It's pretty insane. So this like kind of broke, so we have to figure out how to reattach that. And then this kind of sucks, but I know that at like the end of the season, I can have a body shop like pull that out and straighten it. But otherwise, I think we're okay. It was a little scary, huh?
Yeah, just had to crawl out the window.
Your door doesn't open?
Yeah, my door doesn't open.
God dang it.
Yeah, both of our doors didn't open.
Well, I feel like we gotta call it on that.
Yeah.
End it. That was good though.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
For real. It's okay, dude. It's okay. Guys, please become a YouTube member and buy some merch so that can help me fix this thing. Make sure you subscribe, check out this video, and come out to BIR if you haven't yet. This place is incredible and everybody's super, super nice. All right, peace.